I'm going to start off by rehydrating some TVP. I'm going to add some hot vegetable broth to this. You can use broth or water. The broth just gives it a better flavor, but water works as well. I'm going to make sure that the TVP is completely soaked into the broth and then set it aside for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to cook up some onions in some oil and a little bit of salt, and we're going to cook this till the onions are translucent. So this is what the TVP looks like after 10 minutes. I just like to fluff it up with the fork before I add it to my pan. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this into our pan with the onions and season it with a few different seasonings. I'm going to season it with some salt, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, poultry seasoning, and cumin. And I'll have the exact measurements for this in the description box below. I'm going to mix everything up till the TVP is nicely heated through and it's cooked. Now I'm going to add in some spinach, put the lid on and let the spinach wilt, and I will show you guys this next step. Meanwhile, let's look at this cute face right here. She's waiting for me to drop some food so she can run up and get it real quick. Okay, so my spinach is almost done. I'm going to give it a little mix, cover it up again, and let it finish wilting. Alright, so our mixture is done. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this mixture to a mixing bowl so I can combine all my other ingredients into it. So this is the ricotta cheese that I'm using. I haven't tried many other vegan ones, but I really liked this one. It is a little bit thick, so I do like to add in just a little bit of almond milk, just so it's easier to mix everything up. Also, if you add this to the hot TVP mixture, it's much easier to combine, but if the mixture gets cold, it is a little bit more tougher to mix everything. I'm also boiling some water here, and I'm going to cook up my pasta shells, and I will show you guys how I stuff them after. So I did go ahead and drain my pasta, and it's just sitting on the side. Meanwhile, I'm going to add in some marinara sauce to the bottom of my baking dish. This helps prevent the pasta shells from sticking to the bottom. So I take the shell like this, and I spoon in a little bit of our ricotta TVP mixture, and I just squeeze it from the sides just so it's kind of closed, but not really. It doesn't really matter, and that's what it looks like. Now I'm adding some more marinara sauce on top of everything. As always, I like to use follow your heart. I'm just adding some of their mozzarella cheese on top. Then I'm going to cover this up with foil and bake it at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Eternity later. My pasta cooked for exactly 30 minutes covered and 5 minutes uncovered, and this is what it looks like. The stuff is so easy and quick to make, and it's delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!